How to fix iPhone 13 yellow screen problem. Hello everyone, it's me Rock, and in this very video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can fix the iPhone 13 yellow screen problem. For this, at first you have to check for a software update. You can go to settings, then go to general, software update, and install any of the pending activities, because this can bug using the yellow screen issue. You can also adjust the auto brightness feature by going to the settings, display and brightness, and toggle the auto brightness feature off and on again. This can also help resolve the yellow tint. You can also turn on the night shift and the true tone. Go to the settings, then go to display and brightness, and set the night shift and true tone toggles to the off. You can also wait for the screen adhesive to dry. If you recently displayed the display, allow the adhesive to fully dry for up to 48 hours before troubleshooting the further. You can also force restart your phone, because sometimes this very method may also be the best for you. If there is any other problem, you can also seek for the professional repair option and work on it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.